Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we will be looking at how to replace battery in this vehicle entry key. Well, this one is taken from a Volkswagen engine, a Volkswagen vehicle. So we will be looking at how to replace battery. See, when battery is not working, when you press this, there is no light coming here. If the battery is alive, see, there is a blinking light here. Every time you press this, you see a blinking light. So if everything is good and battery is dead, when you press this down, this light, it will not illuminate. So I'll show you how to take it apart and open it. So there are two parts here. There is a key section and there is an electronic section. Now, in order to take it apart, all you have to do is find a tiny screwdriver and pry it open. Just insert it somewhere like this and then try separating. Twist it and try separating it. Right here we have a spot. Insert it in between and try wiggling it. See, it's opening. We have now some opening here. Then you do the same on either side. Just insert it and then twist your screwdriver. Just easy on the parts. Then you hear a clicking sound that shows you the key is separated from the electronic part. Pull it apart. Here we have the key unit. The key where you can fold it. This is the key unit. And here we have the electronic unit, where we have lock, trunk open and door opening buttons. This is the electronic unit. Now the battery will be located in the electronic unit. Here we have a panic button. Now in order to find access to the battery, again we have to open this also. We will pry it open. Just right here. Also you can insert a screwdriver and try prying it open. Yeah. So this is how you access the battery. So here we have the electronic unit. This one will be receiving power from the battery. This will be serving as one battery terminal, and right here we have the other terminal, the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal. So in order to replace your battery, just remove it such a manner. You can remove your battery, pry it open. So here is the battery. So here is the battery. You can replace this battery with a similar size battery. It's a 3-volt battery. So whenever you replace the battery, make sure that the positive is facing down. See, the positive is facing down. So make sure that is the way it is. Positive is facing down. So the positive will be connected to here and that terminal will come with this. So whenever you grab your new battery, and on your battery you can see this is the positive side, this is the negative side. The side one is the positive side. So here we have the positive side. Positive will be facing down. Insert it in such a manner. And then install this. So this half goes in here, align them. Make sure they are aligned. Then press it in. If it is aligned, you can see, you can hear a clicking sound. See, now everything is inserted. Everything is now in good order. Then you slide into the key half and you push it until you hear a click sound. Now it is done. So this is how you replace battery on these remote devices. Now once the battery is replaced, when you press this, you should be looking at a blinking light here.
So as you can see, if the battery is working nice and if the remote is working, every time you press this, you hear that light. This is a panic button. This is a door lock. This is a door opening, and this is a trunk opening button. This is a panic button. Door opening, trunk, door lock. So this is how you replace a battery. In order to fold this, you have to press this. Press it down and then finished. To stretch it, you press it down, it will come right back.
So this is how you replace the battery. Well, this is all we have for you in this presentation. I hope you have enjoyed looking at it. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.